In this Godot tutorial, I'll show you how to make your own custom auto tile map, or also known as a Bitmasked tile map. You will need this template, as well as a program where you can draw on a grid. There are many great drawing programs available, so feel free to use whatever program you're most comfortable with. The most important thing is you need to be able to set up a grid. Use the template to design your own custom tiles. Each tile should be 3 units by 3 units. My tiles are 64 pixels by 64 pixels, and the grid is 64 divided by 3. As long as your custom tiles follow this template, everything should work perfectly. The dark gray color represents the outside edge of the tiles, and the light gray color represents the inside of the tiles. For this tutorial, I'll be sticking with the base template. Drag the file into Godot. Click the plus button to add a new node. Search for tilemap and add a tilemap node. On the right-hand inspector panel, click New Tileset. Click on Tileset. Now, drag the Bitmasked tile map into the tileset. Click New Auto Tile. If you don't see the grid yet, click on the screen and the grid should appear. Select the entire image. On the right-hand inspector panel, click Auto Tile Bitmask and click 3x3 Minimal. Set the subtile size to whatever tile size you are using. Back in the tile set, click Bitmask. Trace the template as shown. You should now have a working custom tile map. Click on the tile map node to start drawing your tiles. Left-click to draw a tile, and right-click to delete a tile. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.